I believe a medical education program is essential for upgrading the healthcare scenario of our country. In this regard, we get a lot of surgeons, both young orthopedic fellows and senior orthopedic surgeons from different places of our country as well as internationally to come to our center for training and upgrading their surgical skills. I take them to theatre with me and they help and understand and educate themselves in the latest techniques of orthopedic surgery. They also see patients with me in our outdoors and help in improving their diagnostic skills. I really believe that teaching and training is important to upgrade the patient care when they go back to their respective institutions. And in this regard, our continuous fellowship and education program is helping orthopedic surgeons all across the country to improve the healthcare and patient care in their cities.
Myself, Dr. Kirti Paladugu, Consultant Joint Replacement and Arthroscopy Surgeon from Hyderabad. I have been here with Dr. IPS Oberoi for last 3 days. Has come as an observer for Scopy. It has been a vast experience right from the basics of ACL to the all-inside technique and a revision of an ACL, PCL as well as the PLC complex and other variety of surgeries in the knee. And also we had the opportunity to see the SCRs with the biceps tendon, 2 surgeries of that. It was a new thing for me which I learned from him, and it's a great experience, and I wish that I get an opportunity to visit him at least once or twice in a year and have these experiences and give the best to my patients in future in all my endeavors. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Dr. Lalit Mohan. I'm an Associate Professor in Orthopedics from the Nizam Institute of Medical Sciences, Hyderabad. I'm an arthroscopic surgeon and a trauma surgeon. I've been practicing arthroscopy for the last 8 years, largely knee. I wanted to expand my knowledge in shoulder arthroscopy and improve my learning. Arthrex helped me with this and gave me a very good opportunity to have first-hand experience of observing from Dr. IPS Oberoi's work. Dr. IPS Oberoi has been very warm and pleasant and very generous in sharing a lot of shoulder arthroscopy and knowledge on shoulder. In these 3 days, I've had comprehensive exposure to much of the shoulder work, and I have also had the opportunity to exchange knowledge and also take opinions on many of my own cases, and Dr. Oberoi had been generous enough to advise me on the same. I have had the opportunities to discuss many other works I do and experiences of many of the other fellows who have come here. It has been a very good experience. I thank Arthrex and Avana Medical Systems for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Hey, my name is Dr. Dahir Ali. I'm an orthopedic specialist surgeon from Baghdad, Iraq, from Al-Karkh Hospital in Baghdad. We are so glad and to have the opportunity to have a 2-week training in Arthroscope here in Artemis Hospital. It was amazing experience, amazing opportunity to take this training program here in Artemis Hospital. Thank you very much. One of the most interesting training points we had interact and see multiple of arthroscopic shoulder arthroscope dealing with different and very variety of cases from simple to highly complicated shoulder arthroscope, also the knee arthroscope of ACL, PCL, revision cases. The opportunity is concentrated on the variety of cases from the simple to highly complicated cases. And thank you very much.
I am Dr. Ahmed Shakir from Baghdad.
You're seeing on that.
Okay.
So you have to go, I guess.
No, okay. Hi, I am Dr. Ahmed Shakir from Baghdad, Iraq, Al-Karkh General Hospital. I am here in Artemis Hospital for training under supervision of Dr. Oberoi on arthroscopic surgery. And we find in the last few days we are trained here very nice cases, complicated cases of shoulder and knee arthroscopy, which is a very interesting case and complicated case, and how to be managed with very intelligent ways and final decision, which is a very good decision. And we are happy to train in this very good center and facilities and patient quality. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ravisha Bhardwaj. I work as an assistant professor in the Department of Orthopedics at the Government Medical College, Patiala. And I've come here to do fellowship for 2 weeks under Dr. IPS Oberoi. And the experience has been really wonderful. It has been just 3 to 4 days. And we have seen from very complex cases like Bankart, Hill-Sachs, PCL, Revision ACL, even the innovative techniques like SCR and parachute technique. And Dr. Oberoi, he is the best mentor and a strong mentor. After every surgery, we have an intense discussion along with pre-operative planning, which is very important for planning up the surgery. He also encouraged me to give presentation on few topics, and it was really wonderful, and it helped me gain more confidence. It was really good.